Hi everyone! Welcome back to English the Gab Lab. Today we have a very important lesson. Picture this. You feel terrible, you have a fever, and you need to see a doctor, but he only speaks English. Are you ready for that conversation? Today we're going to practice with a real-life situation. Eric Miller is arriving at the clinic for the first time. You'll see it step by step. The check-in, the consultation, and the treatment. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident for your next appointment. Let's get started.
Good morning.
Good morning. I've got an appointment at 10 with Dr. Harper.
Perfect. What's your name, please?
My name's Eric Miller.
Yes, here you are, Eric. Are you a new patient, or have you been here before?
It's my first time here.
Okay, then you need to fill out this form. Please write your personal details, if you've had any serious illnesses, or if you have any allergies. Sit down and let me know when you're finished.
All right, thanks.
Oh, here's a pen.
I've filled everything out. Here you go.
Perfect. This is your number. Please take a seat and wait. Your number will show up on the screen soon. There aren't many patients today.
Great, thank you so much. Oh, that's my number.
Good morning, Eric. Tell me, what's going on?
Good morning, doctor. To be honest, I don't feel well at all. My whole body hurts. I've got a bad headache. My eyes hurt. I'm very congested, and my body aches every time I move.
Okay. Does your stomach hurt too?
No, I think that's the only thing that doesn't hurt. But I also have a very bad cough.
How long have you been feeling like this?
Well, it started 2 days ago. I also feel very tired.
Have you had a fever lately?
Yes, I had a high fever the first day. I'm not sure about now, but I think my body feels hot.
Okay, Eric, let me check your temperature. Yes, you've got a fever. Is it bad? No, don't worry. Now, open your mouth. Say, ah, ah. Your throat is very red, and you have some white spots. Now, breathe in and out. Pause. Your heart and lungs sound fine.
That's better.
You need to take this medicine every 8 hours for the first 3 days. If you feel better after that, just take one with breakfast and one with dinner for 2 days more.
Okay, 1 pill every 8 hours.
You also need to drink plenty of water and sleep a lot.
Okay, can I go to work tomorrow?
No, you have to stay home and rest for at least 2 days. If you feel better on the 3rd day, you can go back to work.
All right, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, Eric. Bye.
Goodbye.
Great! Now that you've heard the conversation between Eric and the doctor, let's test what you've learned. I have a quick 3-question challenge for you to check your understanding. Don't forget to drop your answers in the comments so I can take a look. You've got this. 1. Is this Eric's first time at this clinic? A. Yes, it is his first time. B. No, he has been there before. 2. Which of these symptoms does Eric not have? A. A bad headache and a cough. B. A stomach ache. 3. What is the doctor's advice about work? A. Eric can go to work tomorrow. B.
Eric must stay home and rest for at least 2 days.
And that is the end of today's lesson. Well done for making it to the end. Learning English takes time, but you are doing a great job. Did you notice how Eric used simple words to explain his problem? You don't need difficult words to speak English well. Before you go, I have a special task for you today. In the comments, please tell me, what do you do when you feel sick? Example, I drink tea and I sleep. I love reading your stories, so please share yours. If you enjoyed learning with Eric and Dr. Harper, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me to create more free lessons for you. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. Keep practicing, stay healthy, and I will see you in our next conversation.
Bye!